Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. Right now, this is the monsoon season. And at this time, we can grow any plant by cutting or by its seed. Monsoon is really important for taking special care of the flowering plants. Today I will talk about the flowering plant, which is rose, and how to take care of it in monsoon. With their intoxicating fragrance, velvety petals, and gorgeous colors, roses deserve to be enjoyed at close range rather from afar. Right now, the roses are so small, but in winter, the roses get so big. In monsoon season, pruning is necessary as you need to prune to maintain their shape and remove unwanted growth. In monsoon season, most of our stems have buds and my mom is removing the buds. If you prune, then it will help the plant get bushy and it will help the plant get flowers in winter. With pruning, you also need to choose the right kind of pot. Choose a container in proportion to the size of your rose, one that is large enough to accommodate the root ball while offering ample room for growth. Generally, the larger the pot, the better, because the roots can grow deeper. All of you have to prune your rose plant in monsoon. Next step is to plant in good soil. A necessity for thriving container roses is rich, fertile potting soil. The next important point is to fertilizing correctly. Roses also need a lot of fertilizer to sustain their blooms, and container roses will require more frequent fertilizing than those grown in the garden. As you all know, this is not the blooming time. This is the growing phase. So my mom uses tea leaf compost during this time. And my mom also uses eggshell compost frequently and kitchen waste compost. Did you know that tea leaves are high in tannic acid and many other valuable nutrients that make it more fertile? It also helps increase oxygenation and facilitates the growth of a stronger root system. My mom also mixes eggshell compost. Did you know that eggshells lower soil acidity and roses love soil acidity? Do you know that eggshell encourage root growth? After 15 days interval, you may also use kitchen waste compost. If you don't know how to make tea leaf compost, eggshell compost or kitchen waste compost, those videos are already in our channel. So you can go and watch those videos later. And now I will talk about a special liquid fertilizer for rose plant. It also acts like a fertilizer or a pest controller. So first you need to get a spoon of coffee ground and then dilute it with water. Then you have to stir it very well. Then you can put all your liquid in a spray bottle and then spray it in your foliage of the plants. I hope you all know that in monsoon season there are a lot of pest attacks. And if you apply this liquid, your plant will get rid of pest attack. And coffee is a great source of nitrogen. And if you give this liquid to your plants, it will make your plants more bushy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Bye bye.